Your software faces constant threats, from failures and attacks to broken code. Each of these can shut down your business, and with new compliance laws, you will need to pay regulatory fines on top of that. You need your software protected. You need verified proof that it is protected. And you need tools that do not make software protection more complicated than it already is. Hi, I am Ryan from Codekeeper. Join me as I walk you through our complete solution suite designed to help you protect your software and build bulletproof software resilience. Let's start with Software Escrow. This solution protects the on-premises software that runs your business. Here's how it works. First, we create a legal agreement that works for the vendor and their clients. That agreement outlines clear rules and triggers for when and how assets can be released. Then the vendor deposits their source code and supporting data into our secure vault. When a release event occurs, like vendor bankruptcy, we review the conditions with the vendor and release the materials to the client immediately once confirmed. Once you've set up Software Escrow, you need proof the deposited materials will work in a crisis. You can order verification as an add-on. We will test your deposits and give you certified proof everything is ready when you need it. Eliminating your software risk is our priority, so verification is available for all our solutions. For more extensive protection, we offer SaaS Escrow, designed specifically to protect your cloud applications. The setup works the same way as with Software Escrow. But to really cover the whole cloud environment, the vendor deposits source code, software data, documentation, deployment infrastructure, third-party dependencies, and credentials. This way you can move your application to a new platform if needed. We support over 50 integrations to make the deposit process seamless. But if we do not support a platform yet, you can request a custom integration build so deposits stay automatic. AI Escrow is our newest solution built specifically to protect your full AI stack. AI dependency is uniquely complex. It is integrated into everything from productivity to customer-facing systems, creating multiple breaking points. The agreement structure functions similar to SaaS Escrow, but secures your models, deployment assets, prompts and agents, and workflows. So when a model fails, you can migrate to a different provider without losing the unique functionalities you depend on. Our next solution, Continuity Escrow, keeps your critical services running when providers fail. With Continuity Escrow, you can upload critical service credentials to our secure vaults. If you or your vendor can't maintain payments, your systems would normally shut down instantly. Now you can just flag a missed payment and we'll step in to prevent any downtime while you migrate or resolve the issue. In short, we take over payments. Your services keep running, and you never go offline. Finally, software backup. Ransomware is targeting backup systems harder than ever. That's just the new reality. Our software backup solution stores your source code, databases, and deployment configurations in isolated vaults. They're encrypted, tamper-proof, and subject to role-based restricted access. When you need to restore, you will have clean copies ready to go. Plus, every backup gets logged for compliance audits. If your software isn't protected, activating software resilience is the right decision. Here is how you can get started. First, select your application type. Before settling on a risk control, we first help you determine exactly what kind of application you need to protect. Our experts recommend a source code protection solution like Software Escrow for installed software that runs on company servers. If you mainly access your software through remote services or web browsers, you want to look into SaaS Escrow or Continuity Escrow. Next, choose your protection level. All you need to do is decide whether you want to bring systems back after failure or keep them online through any crisis. We'll help you find the right level of protection and implement your solution. Finally, get your resilience certified. If you need documented proof that you've taken every step to protect your software, we can execute different levels of verification on your assets and give you software resilience certificates with your results. We've spent the last decade protecting the operational continuity of over 3,500 businesses. We can do the same for you. Book a free consultation with our experts today to learn more. Codekeeper. Software resilience. We protect your software, so it never fails you.